Hey, what's up? It's Philip from Easy Tutorials, and let me show you today 2 ways how to zoom in Capcut PC. It's very easy. First is the easier one. Go to effects over here, top, type in zoom, and you have all kind of zooms over here. For example, zoom lens, you just drag and drop your effect, to the timeline and just click play and you got your zoom effect. If you want to have more control over it, I will now just delete this. Select your video clip and choose where you want your zoom to start. And now click over here on the top right corner, add keyframe. It's under basic tab and we will add a keyframe, okay? And now we will move it a bit over here and we will add another keyframe. This way we will scale like this and it will automatically add the keyframe, and we will change the position over here, for example, like this. And if I go play over here, you can see zooming in, keeping it. And over here we want to zoom out. To do that, we will copy this keyframe that we already have, Control C, and go over here, Control V. This will be duration, and over here we will revert everything back to normal. So position where we want to revert everything back to normal, and make this again 100% and this to be 0, and there you got it. For example, click play, zoom in, keep it, zoom out. And you can change this by making, for example, closer this keyframes, move closer, and if you have the faster effect, and if you spread it out it will be slower. I hope this was helpful to you guys, and if it is, drop some comments and likes below, and see you in some other video. Check out my link in the description if you want to learn more about Capcut. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.